more happiness. Romy! Hi, Romy! Drew! Uy, Drew, kamusta ka naman? More gifts, more happiness in this world. No gift, sadness. I'm good, Drew. Kamusta ka naman? Miss na kita. Ngayon na lang ulit kita nakita, B. How are you ba? Busy ka? Busy ka ba? Saan ka pupunta? Wala, dito sa bahay. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung paano ako mag-makeup. Bakit ba? Ayaw niyo ba makita kung paano ako mag-makeup? Hirashi, hi! Alberto, Angus, T. Hello. How are you? Oo, active naman yun. Hindi ko lang inaano. Pero active pa rin naman siya. Pero hindi lang ako masyado nag-ano kasi ang hirap. Ang hirap mag-invite. Ang hirap mag-invite ng mga tao. Raymonda! Pero active pa rin naman. Alam mo naman, masyado tayong busy. Siyempre, wala ko pang mag-live. May bigo pa. Ayan, guys. Hi, Shawi. Hello, everyone. Good morning po. Good morning po sa lahat ng nasa live po. How are you guys? How's your day? Are you doing well today? Are you eating well? Rami! Can I get a 360? No. My hair is a mess today. You can't get 360 of it. Maybe later. Not now, okay? I'm shy to do that. My hair, I'm not yet combing it. So, maybe later, okay? Not now. Wow, Hirashi, thank you. More. I hope we can reach our quota for today. We need first box. Anyone who can give me first box, I will give them happiness. Joke. I will give you happiness if you give me first box. I'm the happiness, you know. I'm the happiness in this world. The only happiness I can give to you is my heart. Do you want my heart or no? Okay, then don't. Hi, Tagero! Shawi! How are you? Hirashi! Jan, hi! Guys, just drop gifts, okay? I will see that later. When I'm done here. Just drop gifts. Whatever gifts you want to drop, go. I'm just here. I won't go away. I'm just doing my makeup here. Because makeup is life. Because makeup is life. So I'm just doing it. So just stay there and drop gifts. There are new gifts, ah. You don't want to see the new gifts, guys. You don't want to see the new gift. You don't want to recharge or what? Thank you, John. You're the best. Thank you, John. You're the best, John. I hope you can give me more. Hi, Alex. It's hot. Where's my aircon? It's hot. It's so hot. Hi, DA. Shall we? It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. John. John, help me. Where's John? Perfect. Yo, tayo. Perfect what? What? Hi. Ozzy. Oz pala. Oz. Hi, Oz. Oh my gosh, you're so nice. Thank you. Wow, I followed you. More. Dragon. Dragon. Can you send family prestige if you can? There's like dance with night, trophy crowning, ascending throne. Yeah, you can send those if you have extra diamonds. Or if you can recharge. If you can recharge some diamonds. Yeah, I hope you can do that. Thank you. Why can't follow? Why? I'm following. Who's not following you? I am. Am I not? Of course, I follow people who's nice to me and giving me gifts. Because they are so nice. I just can't help myself but follow them. They deserve follow. They deserve a follow because they are so nice. Hi, John. Thank you, John. More. Let's go, guys. Send gifts. Let's go. Hello. Guys. Don't be like that. You should be alert. Oh, hello to 800 viewers. Nye Loy M. Hi. How are you? I'm just doing my makeup. So, to get ready for the day. Hi, the Mason. How are you? What you doing, guys? Are you guys busy? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah, DC! Thank you! Aw, you're so nice. Thank you, DC. Mama. DC! Thank you! Yay! Malapit na ako mag 3-star. 5-star nyo na ako, guys. DC! Kamusta ka naman? Kumain ka na ba? Kain ka na po. Kain ka na, B. Huwag ka magpakagutom. Ayoko na nagugutom ka. Oh, nasa work ka ba ngayon? Are you at work now? Tami! Guys, if someone is chatting you or whatever, don't listen to them, okay? Like, I heard that there's someone saying that they are my boyfriend, or like, I don't know. Sometimes, don't listen to them. I don't have a boyfriend. And they are not my boyfriend. Some people just say that. Like, I don't even know you. How can I be your girlfriend if I don't even know you? Marcos! But it's okay. That's life. There are a lot of people who say that. I don't know why you're making up stories. That's bad, guys. Don't make up stories. You should be happy always. Be happy with your life that you don't have time for other people's business, you know. Like, just be happy with yourself and with your loved ones. Look! Thank you. Wow. That's very, very upgraded. Mythical Beast. I like it. It's very upgraded, huh? Thank you. Watch now! You're here! I haven't seen you in a while. Why will I stand up? How can I? I don't know how. Hi guys, how are you? Gone, Dragon, Mystery Man, hello! Let's go guys, let's reach our quota for today. Thank you, Loop. Thank you so much. That's hi. More. Guys, can you send family prestige? Because I need family prestige. Yeah. A while. Stand up. Stand up? Why? I'm in the kama. I'm in the bed. How can I? If I'm 5-star, I will stand up. Okay? I promise. I will stand up if I'm 5-star. So you make me 5-star na, so I will stand up. Parang hindi natulog. Nakapaghilamos na ako, nakapag-ano na ako, brush, ganyan. Hindi pa lang ako kumain. Hindi pa ako kumakain kasi, ewan ko, tinatamad kumain eh. Hirashi, baka besh. Besh yarn. Besh mo ako. Besh in ano. Besh in... Thank you. More. Let's go. Go. More. Family prestige. Let's go. Yeah, my hair is messy. I went shower last night. Yeah. And then I slept with my hair is still wet. That's why it's like that. I fell asleep. Yeah, I fell asleep last night while it's wet. So, because I'm super sleepy last night. That's why. I hate beautiful girls because they have extra arrogance. Oh. It's not arrogance, honey. It's confidence. It's not arrogance. You can't say that. That's bad. That's a negative word. It's a negative word. You shouldn't say that. You should say it's confidence. It's not arrogance. Arrogance is something that you're bragging about. Like you're saying it. Yeah. If it's arrogance if you're like very like you're saying something that will make another person look down on themselves. But I'm not saying anything for you to look down on yourself. I'm just doing my makeup. I'm just being me. It's not arrogance, okay? It's not arrogance. It's different. It's a lot more different than arrogance. It's more than that. Hi, Abu Razak. Yeah, but it's okay. I understand where you're coming from. Yeah, some girls are like that. They are so arrogant. Like they are pretty. That's why they feel like they can do anything in this world, or they can do anything because they're so pretty, or they can say anything to you. But that's wrong, right? Rambo. Yeah, beauty should be in the heart and the soul. Okay, so it just depends. If you're pretty or whatever, then yeah, it's up to you. If you're gonna be a good person, a beautiful person, or a beautiful outside but not good inside. So tie hair. I don't have a hair tie. You should send me gifts so I can tie my hair na. I don't have money to buy Hiroshi! Hello, Hiroshi! How are you? Wow, Loop. Are you going to make me 5-star na, Loop? I want 5-star. Okay, if I tie my hair, what's with it? Kaneki! What's with it if I tie my hair? I don't like it. It's ugly. It's ugly to tie my hair. It's ugly. Looks like, I don't know. I don't like it. Good morning! Hello! Sorry guys, ang gulo ng buhok ko. Good morning! Hello! How are you? Oz! Hi, Oz! Oz! Hi, Oz! Hug nga, hug! Hi, guys! Francis! Hello! Hello, everyone! Nasa school. Mm-mm. Let it, let it. La da 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 da. I am feel forever, forever. Didn't know that song. I don't like to tie my hair because I don't have a hair tie. I don't really have a hair tie. But together, Jack Sorrow, shall we? Yeah. You should send something so I can buy a hair tie. Because I'm just sitting here. I can't buy hair tie here. How can I do that? Hi, Van! Shall we? Yeah, you should send gift, guys. Because I need family prestige. And also, it's November 26 already. So, I'm kinda, you know, struggling to reach my monthly quota right now. So, I feel like I'm stressing right now. I need 60K more. And I only have like 4 days now. So, yeah, I hope you can, pitch in some, I don't know, some gifts. But if you can't, then leave. So if you can't give me a gift, then just leave na. Joke lang. I'm just kidding. Hi, ID number Albert Suru Michelin. Michelin! Hi! Malupit. Malupit. Sino malupit? Fresh like pagiging bad and egg. Hi, Michelin. Can I see the back? No. That's too much. I can't do that. I don't do that. I can only do that if I'm like 5 stars. I can do that when I'm like 3 stars. I'm gonna feel forever, forever. Right, DC? Look, DC. This is not making me do those things. This is so nice. Always has been. Hi, any number. Thank you, Nisi. May TikTok ka? Oo, meron. Yay! Thank you. Thank you, DC, ma. Love, love. Lex! Palo. Anong palo? Hindi mo naman kasi sa akin, Krillix. Gusto ko yung laro. Gusto ko laruin yung laro. Yay! Thank you. Hi, Eager. Shall we? Wow, Jay. Thank you, Jay. More. Let's go, Jay. Let's go. You're the best, Jay. You're the best. Thank you. Hey, more. Thank you, guys. Thank you. DC, love mo. Di, mama. More gift, guys. Let's go. This is a drill, guys. You know, we need to be fast because sometimes if you're slow, you know, the progress is slow. So we need to be fast. Hi, Shan! Chowie! Jay! Thank you, Jay! Where are you from? Wait, I think this is the first time I saw you, Jay. Where are you from, Jay? Where are you from? Wow, China, hello. Shishi, is that how you say that? Is that Mandarin? I don't know. I don't know what is my China. What did I just say? That's nice that you can speak in English, huh? It's nice. I have a lot of Chinese friends. Yeah, I have a lot of Chinese. Do you know how to speak Tagalog? Dun sa likod ay wag kang malikot. To fresh like taging mabali ang lieg. Baby, malamig yung antra. Yun tayo na pagkapa ko ng 30. Puta, swagod yun naman sa Insta. Certified fresh. Big dog coming up next. Andiyan lang si Soldier na di mo maalas. Kasama ko si Cholo, ba't di ka mag-bless? Yung fresh, pagkakong set. Sa kala ng katang, laging fresh. Hi, the number! More, let's go guys, let's go. Bang. What time is it now? We need 5-star, guys. Let's go. Retoque. Oh, no, guys. I don't have anything done in my face. It's all natural. Vane, what are you doing po? Me? Nothing. Nothing. I'm just sitting. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We need family prestige. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. Don't show your back. Okay. I should put my hair like this. Turn around. No.
Okay, take a look at my swag. So fresh, young, pretty motherfucker. Flawless, call me Mr. Swag.
Game na, guys. We need 3K more. Let's go. Jay, thank you, Jay. Thank you so much, Jay. Jay, I hope you can help me again. I hope you can help me reach 5-star, Jay. You're the best. That's good. China number 1. China number 1. Hi, Rainier. Jay, help me. Don't go, ha? Aldalin. Lakas si DC, oh. DC, thank you. Buti ka pa, DC. You're the best. Ikaw ang pinaka-the best sa kanilang lahat. Huwag ka mag-alala. Ikaw ang pinaka-the best. Do you like my red? Do you like red, guys? My favorite color is red, white, and black. No. and yellow, I think. I don't know. I think that's my favorite color. Red, yellow, and white. Bolera. No, I don't do that. I don't bola. You're bola. People bola me here. I don't bola. Hi Dale! Shall we? DJ Nice. Hello DJ Nice. How's you? How are you? Daming viewers. Pag umaga, maraming viewers. Lagi naman ganun. Ano tayo ng kanta? Bye! Okay, ma'am, you ma'am. Huh? Okay, ma'am, you ma'am. Okay naman ako, be. Bakit ba, be? Hi, Ray. Joey.